Right, so let's be making this whiskey sour. So we need to get some egg whites.
The GMODIST. More GMODIST.
Now I'm using 2 eggs because this is a double, so for like 2 people. Right, so here we have a drink mixer. I'm going to use Jim Beam. So we're going to have 1 deciliter of this Jim Beam whiskey for 2 people this is. So erythritol or xylitol, you can use any of those. They are a great sugar substitute if you don't eat sugar. We still need some sweet taste, however, and we are going to have about a well-filled tablespoon of this erythritol or xylitol. If you use xylitol, you might need a slight bit more, but it depends. It also depends how sweet you want it, and that's completely up to you. Now we need lemon juice, and fresh squeezed lemon juice is of course better, but this one works pretty well actually. And you want to have 6 centiliters, so a little more than half a deciliter of this lemon juice. And here we got the little mixture. And now we need to have ice to make it cold. We want a couple of ice in this, but I want to put in 2 cubes in the beginning because we don't want too much. We don't want too much ice in the beginning here. We want to make it sure that the water doesn't get dissolved immediately. So we just whisk it around a little bit like that to solve the erythritol, and we pour in our egg whites. So that's very nice. And with this mixture, we should actually start shaking it. And you need to shake this more violently than I'm doing right now, and do it for like 30 seconds to a minute. 30 seconds probably enough. Just shake it violently. And when we have been able to build up decent foam, we can open it up, put in 2 more ice cubes, and really mix it an extra time just to get the coolness right. And then we can remove the cap thing of this shaker and just pour it in there. And there we have a very cold whiskey sour. And we like to add an extra ice cube per glass just to keep it cool. And you can put some Angostura bitters on top. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please leave a like and, well, do tell me, did you like this drink? See you next time. GMODIST signing out.